Kung matatandaan niyo mga kababayan, 'di ba, ang sinasabi nila dito, kaya dapat kilala niya si Dennis Cunanan eh. Kasi ang sinasabi nila dito, tinakbo ni Dennis Cunanan yung pera nila na pambayad sana doon sa tax. Tapos parang hindi niya ma-recall. Ayan na naman si Topacio. Mga bossing, si Topacio, montik nang mapalabas yan. Si Topacio, montik na ding makontempt yan. Sinabihan na ng mga congressman natin.
Von or passport. Passport division on chair.
Mr. Chairman, so you have already tracked the passport records of Ms. Cassandra Ong?
All Philippine passports po.
He's telling this committee that she only owns a Philippine passport.
Yes po.
Also from
And we only have records po kasi we are the Philippine Passport Division of the Philippines. The only records po na meron tayo would definitely be Philippine passports po.
Kaya nga, sabi nga ni Ms. Cassandra Ong is using Philippine passport. Now, from the Philippines, sabi niya, he travels to Singapore. Do you confirm that?
We don't keep track po of yung travels po. We issue the passports. It is the immigration officials. For example, sa Pilipinas, BID po ng Pilipinas ang pwedeng karga po ng immigration yan. And it goes to other countries, it's the immigration officers po doon.
Sandali. In the case of Pangilinan spouses, di ba, yung first entry is US.
Yes.
Tapos kayo rin ang report na pumasok ng Canada.
Ang ginawa po namin is we had contacts. Yung mga posts natin, we asked them to ask their contacts.
Oh, you check your post. Di ba, in the case of Ms. Cassandra Ong, nandito na ngayon, hanggang ngayon, hindi nyo pa alam, hindi pa natin alam.
We will double check po with
Because
our
hindi naman yan hook, line, and sinker na maniwala kami sa sinasabi ni Cassandra Ong. And sabi niya pa nga, she cannot disclose.
We could ask po through our embassies, we could ask the host governments kung which ports of entry po.
Yeah, kasi Southeast Asia lang yan. Di ba?
Yes, sir. We will ask po our embassies to check on
well, can you report that to this committee?
We will.
Kasi itong si Cassandra Ong, supposedly, I will withdraw my motion. Pero telling this committee that she cannot disclose from Singapore, the place?
We could check po.
Oh, you check. Ito kanina sinabi niya, Singapore, then nag-Malaysia.
We will just ask the one para how should I say it? In order for us to connect the dots.
Kasi ganito lang po. Ilan na naman yung mga Southeast Asian nation, di ba?
We have 10 po.
You have 10?
Yes.
So, when will that be?
We could have it by next week, sir.
Next week?
Yes.
You cannot do it within the week?
Pwede, sir. Depende po sa we will check, sir. We will send the communication po sa mga posts na.
Hindi nga, I need a commitment because we have another hearing. Maybe, I do not know. Maybe Friday or Tuesday or Monday or Wednesday next week.
At least by Monday, meron tayong sigurado, sir.
By Monday?
Yes, sir.
Mag-overtime kayo kasi tayo nga dito nag-overtime ngayon. We started this hearing 10 o'clock. Ngayon, it's 10 o'clock na. Magti-10 na.
We will, sir.
We're running for 12 hours here.
I understand, sir.
Okay, so do you commit by Monday?
By Monday.
Okay. BID. Again, I raised this question during the hearing last Tuesday, no? In my committee. Kahapon po. Now, with regards to the case of Cassandra Ong, yung Sheila Go, nandun pa sa Senado, maybe in the next hearing, papatawag din natin. We will ask for the invitation from the Senate. O ngayon, malinaw na ba? Na-check nyo na? The basis why Cassandra Ong and party was deported in the Philippines.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Upon checking, Mr. Chair, the Indonesian government deported Ms. Cassandra Ong on the basis that they deemed her as a danger to their security and public order. So based on that, they deported her.
Why? What is the basis of the Indonesian government for tagging Cassandra Ong as a threat to their national security? Yes, DFA, before BID answer. Yes.
Actually, we have our our embassy in Jakarta was able to get the documents from the Indonesian the immigration office. Actually, we will be sending a letter, hopefully by tomorrow, attaching the Indonesian documents explaining why Cassandra Ong and Sheila Guo were deported here. And they did note that the reason why Miss Cassandra Ong was deported was because she was, in Indonesian law, she has the possibility to not follow Indonesian immigration laws. The possibility.
So, ganun na possibility, they deprive Cassandra Ong to stay in Indonesia?
I have copies of, I could give you advanced copies of it without our cover letter.
Ganito lang po, para official, kaysa maghahaka tayo dito, you submit to this committee, the official
We will.
document coming from Indonesia. BID, pakicheck nyo rin.
Yes po.
Para at least yung Mr. Chairman, did you allow the council? Okay na? O, sige. Sagutin na ba ni Cassandra Ong? Miss? O, 2 minutes daw. Basta BID. BID Paki ano nyo, mas may commitment pa dito. Yung DFA, at least documented. Do you have the document?
Yes,
From
yes,
the
Mr.
Indonesian
Chair.
BID?
We secured a copy of the decision of the Indonesian immigration, Your Honor, and we can send a copy in the next hearing, Your Honor. We can send
Before
it.
the next hearing, that will
Yes,
be,
before,
you should
before.
submit the document Monday.
Yes, yes,
To
yes,
the
Mr. Chair.
Consec.
We will submit it to the committees.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Chair.
Now, can I ask now, are you, Mr. Chairman? Chairman? Now, again, will you answer my query? Please.
Ano po yung question?
Diba yung entry mo is, first entry mo is Singapore, then where?
The Miss Cassandra Ong would like to whisper to you. 1 minute suspension.